Imagine you live in a cozy house with 7 little goats. What's that? A wolf is knocking at the door. Wait! Our mom isn't home yet. Should we open the door without looking? But later, they hear the wolf's sweet sound. I'm your mommy. The little goats don't open the door. Smart move, right? If someone's voice sounds funny and not like your family, would you open the door without asking? Then the sneaky wolf puts flour on his feet, trying to fool 7 little goats again. So, if something didn't match up, it's time to be the detective, take the case, and tell a family member, right? Lesson time, friends. Always think before you act, especially with strangers. And it's always smart to have a plan with your family, like a secret code. So you know it's them.